You will feel tremendous drive and concentration, power within everything you do. You are in control of how you feel at all times. You choose to feel happy, important, and worthy, regardless of others' opinions, feelings, or emotions. You can promote healing in any area of your body by visualizing that area flooded in healing white light and visualizing that area to be normal and healthy. You are what you think. You can command your mind to always direct you to lead your life in such a manner as to promote a long, healthy, happy life. You will listen to and follow the beneficial dictates of your mind and not others. Positive thoughts bring you benefits and advantages that you desire. The words bargain and sale no longer entice you. You realize the words are used by someone else to get your money. You purchase only what you need, and only you decide what you need or want. You will have the desire to physically exercise. You will find time each day to physically exercise, and you will exercise your body vigorously. When you have done this, you will feel simply great. You will do what you have to do and get it done now and get the things out of the way. You will commit to do what needs to be done in the now, in the moment. You are your own person. You are in total control. Regardless of what happens, you will feel relaxed. You let go of the desire to smoke. You remember to take deep inhalations and exhalations when you are feeling stressed and tired. You will feel satisfied with very small quantities of food, and small portions will satisfy you completely. You will crave and desire healthy, natural, organic fruits, vegetables, fibers, nuts, proteins, and you will take your vitamins daily. Your hormones will naturally balance themselves out. You will sleep deeply. Your body temperature will be regulated. Your neck, jaw, and head will remain relaxed and calm. You will handle all situations on the job in a very relaxed, calm, and sensible manner, free of tension. You are now going to delete all negative subliminal programming received by all levels of consciousness through all outside influences such as telephone, radio, internet, computers, books, and people. When I count to 10, you will push the delete button on your forehead, and these energies will be removed from all levels of your consciousness. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From this day forward, your mind will only accept positive programming, and you will recognize all future negative programming from outside influences.